Hey guys, how's it going? Phil Thompson here from streamingchurch.tv. Thank you for using streamingchurch.tv for all your streaming video needs. Today we're going to show you how you can do some customizing of your streamingchurch.tv video chat platform. You can customize it, make it look more like something that might be more similar to what your church's website looks like. So you want to go over here to your admin control panel area here and go over to design and branding. Now, there are standard designs that we already have for you that you can choose. There's ministry design, that's what other people have done, and you could choose one of those if it fits your church. Or there's design my own, which is what we're going to talk about, customizing here. So if you click design my own, here's where you begin. You can create a custom design, and this gives you an idea. Now, just very quickly here, I'll click on this. But before I do that, let me drag over a design that we have here right now. So this is a test account, and this is a standard streamingchurch.tv video chat platform design. You have your video over here. You can put your own logo in. This is a different logo, somebody else's. There's the static zone down here, actually active dynamic zone. Static is down below here, the chat, which is nothing under here at this point. But you have chat, you have who's here on the chat when you're streaming, the attendee map, the Bible, the notes. You have access to a media vault, your own media vault. People can donate. All right, so that gives you an idea. This is what it looks like right now. It's a standard design we chose. So what do you do here? Well, first of all, you can choose either to have those tabs we just talked about either on the side or at the top. Whatever you decide you want to use. And then from there, you want to upload your own background or choose a background we already have that you might want to use. Now, if you're going to do your own background, it's got to be 1024 by 625 pixels, and you can see the different formats that you can use, the different extensions here, no less than 2 megabytes. So you can choose one. Now, I've got one that I already designed, and you can use Adobe Photoshop or something else. I'm going to go ahead and choose a file here that I designed, and I'm choosing that one. It's called Yellow, and from there you want to upload it. And I think I just did that. There it is. All right, so this is obviously a test deal here. Now you can choose the color of your text for the chat area, the chat name color, all these things you can change, the transparency. And here's what's also important is the tabs that I mentioned earlier, the chat tab, who's online tab. You can either keep those as is, or you can deselect them. And let's just go ahead and leave the notes off here. Maybe leave the map tab off, and you can also pre-design, or actually preview your design. And here's what the preview is going to look like. So this is just an example of something that I did, and you can do that as well. You can make changes, you can save and activate your design, and that's what it's going to look like. Let's go back to this preview thing and save and activate, and then I'm going to go back over here. And let's see if I can refresh this, reload the page, and yeah, there it is. So that's what I did. So that gives you a little bit of an idea on how to design your own. And look, there's things to this that you might have questions about, so just ask us. Just go to support@streamingchurch.tv. I'm Phil Thompson. Have a great day.